Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 07 Dodge Ram 2500 Crew Cab Short Box, 4-wheel drive, 5.9 diesel. It's a mouthful, Jesus. I got Stacy here, the owners, and to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing, Stacy?
Good, how you doing, Mike?
So you bought this thing brand new, huh?
Brand new in 07. It's been my baby since day one.
Updated headlights?
Updated headlights, those are the 06 limited headlights with the black background.
Sure,
I like
looks
how that
great.
looks a lot better against the white. It's got the fuel, 20-inch wheels, leveling kit, Bilstein Shocks all around, Nitto, Terra Grappler G2s. I just put the new Westin black side step bars on it.
Platinum oval. Very nice. Emblems are upgraded in black.
Yeah, I did all the black emblems.
Very nice. Tow mirrors, so those flip up, which is pretty cool.
Tow mirrors flip up. The hard tonneau cover. I put the inner liners in, which in 07 they didn't come with that.
Oh.
I put them in. It's got the mud guards on it because of the bigger tires, so it protects the paint.
Sure.
All original paint. I tinted the taillights.
I like how you did just the outsides.
Hard tonneau cover.
It's a Century glass cover. It's got the drop-in liner too in there as well.
Yep.
It's a pleasure truck. This is not used for landscaping or anything like that. He babies it. He doesn't even drive it to work. How many miles do you have on this now?
84,000.
Jesus. This truck should have 184,000.
I just took it on a trip to Pennsylvania, 300 miles round trip.
Yep.
Used a half a tank of fuel and got around 19 miles to the gallon with it.
God, only in the 5.9.
Yeah, no emissions.
Pretty I mean, you got the exhaust, intake,
I got the
program,
exhaust,
right?
the cold air intake, and the Smarty Programmer. That's it. Other than that,
almost
it's all
20
stock.
miles to the gallon.
Yep. Cruising at about 75 the whole way.
Yeah. It's pretty good, man. The truck's mint. He's very particular with all of his stuff. He never even stood on the floor mats, huh?
No foot ever touched those floor mats.
That's great.
That's the trailer brake controller. The Pioneer deck.
Pioneer deck's got Navi, Bluetooth.
Nav, Sirius, Bluetooth, rear backup camera.
Very nice.
You could also play videos on it. It's got these other wires down here to like plug your phone and your other stuff into.
USB and aux.
Yeah.
Very cool. Then he's got the Autometer gauges.
Barometer gauge, boost gauge.
Oh, let's check it out. 19.7 miles to the gallon. Crazy. 325 miles. Wow. That's impressive.
Yeah.
You have all the original owner's manuals, right?
Yeah, they should be in the glove compartment, the book and everything. I was looking for the window sticker the other day, but I moved a couple times since then. I can't find the sticker.
Then you can run the VIN and get it.
Yeah, but I've had it since day one.
Pretty cool. Even this back mat never been sat on, right, bro? Mint. Just mint. The 20-inch wheel really set it off there.
Yeah, and I have the stock wheels along with it.
Oh, that'll go with it? Okay,
Yep.
cool. Well, guys, thanks for checking us out today. Any questions at all, feel free to give me a buzz. My name is Michael. You can reach me at 631-339-0399. Also, check out more photos, information, pricing, and everything on our main website. Do keep in mind we do offer financing and shipping worldwide. Thanks again for showing us your truck.
No problem, thank you.